So in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your Sonos back to factory settings. You'll want to do this if you've sold the Sonos or you've bought a used Sonos and you're wanting to connect this to your wireless router. You will have to make sure that it's been wiped of any old data on there before it will continue to pair with your router through the app. So let's get straight to it. In this example we'll be using the IKEA SYMFONISK Sonos speaker, but this will be very similar for most of the Sonos range, and at the end of the video I will explain what buttons you need to press on certain other models to make this same thing happen. First, make sure that the unit is powered off. Then you want to be pressing and holding down the play pause button whilst plugging the power back into the unit, and then the LED will start to blink. So this will blink 6 times, and then on the 7th it will start to blink white and yellow, and it will do that whilst it's starting to reset, and then it will start to blink green once that reset procedure has finished. So as mentioned earlier, on some of the Sonos speakers you will be pressing a different button, and that will be the join button or connect button sometimes it's called, and that's located on some speakers on the rear of the speaker, but the process is exactly the same. Power the unit down, holding the button, then you want to be powering the unit back on, and then that will go through that blinking process.